Hi, welcome back to my Oma's YouTube channel. I'm Taryn, and today we're going to be drawing a family photo. I haven't really gave this character a name, but the family photo is called the Cat Family. Yeah, here's all the things you're gonna be needing. Well, you kind of don't need this, it's too bright. But yeah, this is what you need. Okay, so you're gonna move all this aside, that, and you're gonna take this, and you're gonna draw a circle like over here. Oops, there. It doesn't have to be perfect. Oh my god. There you go. You know, you can draw the eyes kind of like over here. Also, they're like circles. All of theirs eyes are circles besides the dad's. Which this is a son. This is the son's. It's a boy. Just in case you thought it was a girl. Yeah. The dad likes her more. And her eyes like move for where she's looking. So she's looking that way. And then you can draw her mouth, her teeth. Yeah, you can add her nose. Her nose, you can draw it like that, or with this. Like that. And you can draw her ears. They're big ears. She has big ears. Okay, like that. One ear is like always down. You can always make the ears smaller, or if you mess up, you can just pause the video and or rewind. I don't know why I said and. Time to do the fur inside her ear. You can make it look different if you want. Like that. You can draw some hair on her head if you want, but I'm going to draw the hair down here now. This is also the sketch. I don't know. I don't know what I was about to say. I'm sorry. I was gonna say something, but then I forgot. There you go. And then you can add the blush. Oh, I think I was gonna say connect the head. If you haven't already, so yeah. And you can draw the neck, or you don't have to give a neck, or you can just draw the head if you want. I'm gonna draw the hand. Back here, it's going, that's the fur. Like this, you can put it up, down, however you want it. It's yours. Okay, now you can draw the fur on his chest. It's a boy. And you can make him stepping back, stepping forwards. I made him stepping back because it matches for the next character I'm going to be drawing. It's also a kid. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. You're not actually supposed to connect this. I think this is what I was going to say. Like, you have to like put a dent like this for one of the further characters. Then you have to like draw a hand with this. Oh wait, no, why did I add a thumb? These are cats, not humans. I'm used to drawing humans. I'm sorry. I don't know why I said that. Yeah, you can draw the hand. It's a hand on her head. Oh, sticking to my fingers. You can also give her some shadow on her face. And then her eyebrows are circles. And they're really high up, or you can make them low down. Try not to. Like she's backing off. That's what that kind of reminds me of. The tail is going this way. It's going up. She has a big tail that kind of curves like that. Then that's her fur. Oh my god. I don't know what I just did to her fur, but I did it. Make the fur down here. And you go. You just gotta do this real quick. Just add the arms. So one of the other drawings I'm gonna be making makes sense. Okay. So now you are done with this. I was doing this on accident. Look at all that shadow. I didn't need to do it like that. Like, yeah, with this. You didn't. I don't know why I was putting that so close up. Okay. Yeah, now what you can use this. This black marker. Okay, now you trace. You don't have to trace the shadow if you actually made the shadow. Oh my god, that looks wrong. That's not what I wanted it to look like, but it's probably fine. Make them look however you want. Oh, I don't know, I just wanted to say that. Mind any background like noises, because there's probably a lot. Sorry about them. No way, I completely missed the line there. I feel like I'm missing something, but I'm not. I don't know. Oh wait, yeah, because I was missing another line there. I don't know. It was. Okay, time to put the lid on this. Also, you can always pause the video if I'm going too fast for you. So, yeah. Or you can rewind it if you would need instructions again. Oh wait, I was gonna put it in the wrong place. I didn't mean to drop that. Oh, stop it. The thing's rolling down. Okay, you're gonna need this. Okay, just use it. Because, yeah. You can use that as blush. And you can use it for inside the ear. Oh no, I accidentally colored out line and there. Oh no, it's okay. This drawing's not gonna be perfect. No, nobody's perfect. Okay, can always put this as there, or there if you want. I only like put the inlet there and there and there and there because it just looks better to me. But however you want it. You don't even have to use these colors. You don't. Okay, put this away when you're done. Okay, now you're gonna use this like as a dark color, like for the paws, tail. Her eyebrows, well, his eyebrows. There. Okay, so now you can put this away when you're done. And you're gonna take this and use it as the skin color because it's lighter. It's a lighter gray. You might not be able to see it, but it's a light gray. Just color everything. Like I said, don't mind any background noises because there's probably going to be a lot of them. There. Okay. I accidentally just whistled. I was getting air from my mouth and I just whistled. I was breathing, in other words. Like that. There, and now I just need to do the tail. And that side, and you're done with this when you're done. Yeah, you're done with this one. Okay, time for black. Oh, stop. These things keep trying to roll. You can use this for shading and stuff. I'm trying to put it in accurate places that actually need shade. Trying, okay? So yeah, please like and subscribe. I'm working really hard on this. Please. It's okay if you color out of the lines. I color out of the lines a lot too. So it's fine. A lot of people color out of the lines. That you can shade. When you're done shading, like me, you can just put this away. You can grab your white. You can use this for like making stuff brighter. You can barely see that, but it's making the eye brighter. And it also blends in, so it like blends it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm like blending it. I'm blending the skin color into the skin color because it works a little bit. I said a little bit. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Oops. There you go for the whites. And, oh wait, I forgot to write this. I should have wrote family photo. Photo. I almost spelled it wrong. That was bad. You can put this on there. Yeah, and now you have to wait for part 2. Unless it's already out. But, bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, and have a wonderful, have a wonderful everything.